guys, screenshot ko. Ito na po yung park. Ito na po yung yung kanina guys. May nakalagay na babay. Wait lang guys, lalagay ko yung park. Ito na po yung park 2A. Yung kanina, yung may babay guys. So, ito na po yung natin. So, itong person na ako. Wait lang guys. Itong person na ako. So, malalapat na ako. Mabilis lang po ito guys. So, ito na yung po yung Bazoo game pala eh. So, tingnan natin yun. Yung kanina, yung part 1 yun. Ito na yung part 2 eh. So, ito na po yung Bazoo game. Okay. Ano ko lang pinost para kasi para mas mabilis sa inyo. Para hindi na kayo magantay na magantay. So, mabilis lang yata ako para mag-video dito eh. Guys, mag-download na po kayo Bazoo game eh. May new na. Ito guys, so ito. Okay, tita May. So, let me see that is you. Okay, this is fake. So, this apartment is so beautiful. This is what I wanted for. Then this is my favorite. So guys, that's fake. Don't read that video for part 1 because hello testing. Yes. So ay madami kayo. Guys, anong gusto niyo? Like kami dito. Ikato. Ditakpan na lang namin eh. So guys, so ito na po. And then this one. Oh. So anything right now, so pick up this. So magagalan ko para sa inyo pala. Alam niyo yung gagawa ko. Ganun. Hirap naman gumawa ng avatar dito. Guys. This is para look so ugly. This is gonna take a while. This is gonna take a while. This is gonna look good. So, guys, hindi ako makakita ng makanda. So, ito. Nagpagawa ng makanda. Wait lang na guys. So, magpagawa na ako. may kalbo. 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 Ay, hindi tayo kalbo. Sabay tayo kita mo, Onda. Dito tayo na ito. Sabay guys, may papakalbo muna ako. Kaya ganito yung guys. Lahat ng ganito. A lot of show. This is not working. This is not gonna work. Guys, this is so tired. So this guys, guys, what do you want this here? Okay, nothing. So I can choose this. Because it's so cool. So this is why. So, can I choose one there? Oh, guys, it's not the same. Nothing look like the same. Yeah, this is guys. This is the same, maybe. Not guys. Yes, not. Wait. Naman ganyan pa din. Pagod ko naman dito. Wait lang guys matatapos na po ako. Wait lang matatapos. Sorry guys, please check right here. Sorry guys, nakita natin. So, ito po yung screenshot. Bye bye guys. Part 2 naman. Wait lang guys, hindi ko alam ng spelling. Bye bye guys. So, this is well, bye bye guys.